Hey folks, I want to show you how to turn on a couple of features that will make your Chromebook easier to use. First, to turn on the features on your device, you're going to click in the menu in the bottom right corner where the clock and battery life icons are. You'll notice then a gear button that is the settings for the device, not for Chrome, but the device itself. And then you'll scroll down on the left side. You'll see lots of menu options for the settings, but we're going to click on Advanced. You're going to continue scrolling down until you see a stick figure, which says Accessibility. And you will need to toggle this button on so that it shows blue like mine does right now. I'm going to close this menu. You can change a lot of features here, but I want to show you the shortcut to get there that you've now turned on in your system menu. So again, I'm going to click down here next to my clock and battery. And I now see the stick figure accessibility menu. I'm going to click on the stick figure. And I have a list of options I can turn on. I'm suggesting that we turn on two if you need them. The first is select to speak. That means I can click on some text on my screen. It will not work for every single tab or every single document, but it works for most, especially on updated Chrome OS. And I'm going to turn on dictation, which does the opposite. It allows me to click somewhere and speak to text, like you might on a text message on a phone. You'll notice that when I clicked on those, I have two new icons that appear in the bottom right corner. One is a speaker that will speak to me, and one is a mic that will allow me to speak to text. So I'm going to close out of all these menus and show you how they work. So if I am on this little page here in Schoology and I want the directions read to me, I can click on the speaker icon. You'll notice that it changes, and then I can highlight whatever I want read to me. So I want this whole sentence read to me. So I'll just draw a box around this whole thing.
You learned a few different ways to add and subtract as we try to understand the standard algorithm. Work with your partner.
And it will read it as I want. You can do things like slow that down and speed it up and play it again. And now if I want to respond to something or just do a Google search, I can click dictation, click where I want to dictate first, and click dictation, and it will respond to whatever I speak. It's searching Google and my documents for whatever I say into this. This works inside of documents, inside of almost any text field that is on your Chromebook. Okay. It kind of turns off automatically by itself at some point, but remember, you're going to click wherever you want to type, such as here, and then click the mic. You'll hear a chime, and you'll notice that it is doing a pretty good job of dictating whatever I say right there. That's it. And that's how you turn on both select to speak and dictation on your Chromebook. Thanks.